Welcome back to the Uptrend trading channel. I'll be talking about one of the latest additions to my portfolio, Proterra, ticker ACTC. Proterra recently agreed to merge with ACTC at a 1.6 billion enterprise value. In this video, I'll go through the investor presentation and give my thoughts on whether this is a stock to buy or avoid. So what does Proterra do? Proterra is an electric vehicle technology company that is currently focused on producing commercial vehicles, namely buses. Now, this company is not a startup with no real-world experience and revenues. Proterra has over 1,000 vehicles on the road with 16 million miles driven, with nearly $200 million in annual revenues with a significant backlog of orders for its products. So why are companies choosing to buy Proterra vehicles versus others? Proterra promises to reduce operating costs by 40%, and states in America are pledging 100% zero emissions in the next 30 years. I expect this timeline to be brought forward with the Biden administration, like we've seen in the rest of the world, where zero emissions is the target in the next 10 to 15 years. Proterra has three segments to their business: power, transit and energy. With these segments, Proterra offers the hardware and infrastructure to the future electrification of commercial vehicles. So how big is this opportunity? In this presentation, they believe Proterra operate in a $260 billion total addressable market. Bear in mind that this is a $2.4 billion company at the time of the deal. Proterra currently have over $750 million in backlog orders, highlighting the demand for their products. By 2025, they expect to have revenues of $2.5 billion. Valuation-wise, by looking at industry peers, we can see that Arrival, another EV maker with no real revenues, is currently trading at 16 times enterprise value versus Proterra's 1.6. This represents a 10x difference at transaction price, meaning that if Proterra closed the valuation gap, the stock could be worth $100 per share. As I make this video, Proterra is currently sitting at $25. This represents a potential 4x based on estimates and an enterprise valuation of $4 billion. For a company that is targeting a $260 billion market, I believe this is a great opportunity to buy a business that can continue to grow in the future. If you enjoyed my analysis on Proterra, please like and subscribe. If you would like live alerts on when I buy and sell stocks, please join my Patreon. I bought ACTC when the deal was announced at $20 per share, so if you are a member, you would have had a much better purchase price. Alternatively, if you'd like to learn more about trading, I have designed a course for beginners and intermediates that go through all the fundamentals for you to trade successfully. The links are in the video description. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.